looking at radar as of tonight, a few spots maybe getting just a little more on top of the mountains of snow you just saw. As we look out towards the east coast, you can still see some activity on radar, maybe just some flurries this time around rather than the feet of snow that some spots saw earlier on today. They'll be busy digging out under some drier conditions moving forward here. For us, it's still pretty quiet out there. We'll have to keep an eye on these couple areas of low pressure. They could push in a little rainfall this weekend, so definitely not wintry as we head into Saturday. Right before that, mildest weather of the week. Temperature is expected to be possibly into the 40s as we head into tomorrow afternoon, which is a far cry from the 20s that we saw earlier on this week. So for tonight, down to 19, definitely still brisk under a mainly cloudy sky. Winds are pretty light, so that will definitely help with the wind chill values. Not going to be too harsh in the morning. Then the afternoon, up to 41, which is over 10 degrees warmer than where we started out the week. We'll be under a mostly cloudy sky again with breezy south winds gusting at times to 25 miles per hour. Then as we get into the weekend, keeping an eye on some rain, but models trending a lot drier for this weekend to the point where we may only see some drizzly conditions, and that could be about it. Now, we stay above freezing, so not expecting any kind of iciness out of this, which is just some good news. And a little snow may try to mix in, but we'll see less than an inch for any kind of snow totals, so likely not going to see any kind of slick roads. So here we are zoomed in locally on Future Trek, and a couple drops of drizzle, and that is about it, starting at about 4 a.m. Saturday. You can see that it continues to hang around until about 9 o'clock, and then the weather dries out again. Going into the afternoon, just remaining cloudy and dry. So again, looking at possibly a little dampness Saturday morning, but then after that, looking pretty quiet throughout the remainder of the weekend. Then looking towards next week, as we get closer towards Christmas, may end up still seeing plenty of green grass around the state line. Models trending rainy leading up to Christmas, so not anticipating much for snowfall as we get closer towards the holiday. It would be the third year in a row without a white Christmas if we don't have that come to pass. And here is Future Trek. Wednesday may be the day for some precipitation. You can see it starts out as rain, but then this model wants to try to bring in a little snowfall, so there is still just a slim chance here that we could see some snow just in time for Christmas. What we will get, though, regardless of snow or not, is cold weather. Next Tuesday still mild, but then a blast of Arctic air comes in by Christmas Eve, resulting in a very chilly holiday just around the corner. So as we turn to the forecast, we're up into the 40s Friday. We'll be there again Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday's that day to keep an eye out for that slight chance for showers, but then look what happens. We drop about 15 degrees. We're in the low 20s only for highs on Christmas Eve. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we stay right about there for Christmas Day itself, looking at some bitterly cold temperatures at times as Santa arrives. James and Kristen.
Alex, thanks.